Hi everybody, this is Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just wanted to run a heavy haul by you, kind of how these things look when they usually go out of here. Guys kind of got everything done on it. Absolutely beautiful truck. It's a little bit dirty, but I still wanted to get a little snow here, so wanted to get a video before it left. So it's a 2019 Pete 389 extended hood. 58-inch flat top, Galaxy silver with black cherry fenders, top of cab and top of sleeper. Absolutely beautiful truck. 20,000 pound front steer axle here. Got a 23,000 pound liftable non-steerable pusher. And then 46,000 pound rears, full lockers, three-way lockers, and 72-inch air slide fifth wheel, double framed, full length. We've got disc brakes all the way around, 391 gears, and then we got some bling on this one, which is why I wanted to show it to you. Got the fenders, and then as you can see we got the rear light bars on this from United Pacific. And we just do all this here. We can't get this from the factory this way. We have to do it here. The only thing we get is those three in the top middle there in the black end of frame cross member. Holland FW35 fifth wheel. Nice polished stainless steel fenders over all of them. Window in the back, 6 load lights. Put the small button LED lights on. They're all metric pack sealed. This has a S-bar heater. You see it right there. Bunk heater. Jaws off the fuel tank. Storage under there. 58-inch sleeper's nice enough for enough room if you had to sleep in it overnight and be in good shape. With the battery box. Got a master disconnect in there. Engine's a Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 2,050 foot-pounds of torque with an 18-speed transmission. Take a quick look at it. .15-liter engine. Disc brakes up front. The X15 has been doing exceptionally well. All the feedback we're getting is very, very good. Did a real good job with this engine. Davco fuel filter, remote lube. That's something we do here all the time. Take you inside. One thing we did do here, you can see normally these heavy hauls come with the beacon lights on the top, and he just put a bar on there, kind of, I think you can see it there. Costs a little more money to do that here, but much sleeker, much better looking. We got the lights in the front and the rear of the air breather. Platinum interior, leather seats, very adjustable, power windows, power locks. Fire this one up. Very quiet. Can't get all the gauges in because we need too many switches over here. So we fill it as much as we can. AM, FM, CD player, and Bluetooth. Overall, just for a heavy haul truck. There's your 18 speed. Just gorgeous truck. Put in a factory CB. And then there's your 58-inch sleeper. Not a lot, it's just enough. You can actually step in, change, do whatever you need to do. The rear window. It's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilts is our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching.